Today I'm collaborating with Crystal here on YouTube. She did a really cute get ready with me. Check out the link in the description box. I feel like I'm on dope. It's you. You serve me on a regular. We need to tie this rope. Before we drift any deeper. Baby, now hold me close. Let's take this overboard now. Let's take this overboard now. I want you to ride the change positions. A big thanks to MissBuy.com for sponsoring this video. The unit was packaged really nice and they even threw in some extra gifts. But can we just focus on how natural this hairline looks? I'm not using anything to secure it down other than the clips that came inside of the unit. There was also zero shedding and I am freaking obsessed. Great quality for an affordable price. Link in the description box. Thank you all so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and I will see you all in my next video.